Hey there, welcome to FactSpark. Today, we are talking about the formation of our beautiful planet Earth. Have you ever looked down at the ground and wondered where it all came from? Not just the dirt, but the whole planet. To find the answer, we have to travel back in time. Way back. About 4.6 billion years. Before there were trees, oceans, or even the sun, there was just a giant, swirling cloud of dust and gas in space. Gravity's game of tag. In the middle of this cloud, our sun was born. But what about the leftover bits? Gravity, the same force that keeps your feet on the floor, started pulling small pieces of rock and ice together. They bumped into each other like cosmic bumper cars. These small rocks became bigger rocks, and those bigger rocks eventually became planets. This process is called accretion. A world of fire and lava. Early Earth didn't look very friendly. In fact, it looked like a nightmare. It was a giant ball of molten rock, basically a planet-sized ocean of lava. It was incredibly hot because of all those space rocks crashing into it. During this time, the heavy stuff, like iron, sank to the middle to form the Earth's core, while the lighter rocks stayed on top. The giant splash. Then, something truly wild happened. A planet about the size of Mars, which scientists call Theia, smashed right into Earth. It was a collision so big, it almost broke Earth apart. A huge amount of debris was thrown into space. Gravity pulled that debris together and presto! That's how we got our moon! The first rain. As millions of years passed, Earth began to cool down. The surface turned into a hard, rocky crust. Volcanoes pumped out gases, creating an early atmosphere. Then came the water. Some came from steam in the air, and some was brought by icy comets hitting the planet. It started to rain, and it didn't stop for thousands of years, filling up the low spots to create our first oceans. The breath of life. Now we had land, water, and air. But the air wasn't like the air we breathe today. It took tiny, microscopic organisms in the ocean to start producing oxygen. Slowly, the sky turned blue, and the Earth became a place where plants and animals could finally survive. Our blue marble was finally finished. Conclusion. From a cloud of dust to a beautiful home full of life, Earth has had quite a journey. And the best part? It's still changing today. Every mountain and every ocean is a reminder of this incredible 4.6 billion-year-old story. Thanks for watching, and keep exploring!